The following video comes from a witness in Northwest Ohio. On around December 17th, 2024, she captured something weird in their skies, what sounds like hundreds of horns going off all at the same time. Now, she does state that she's about 10 to 15 miles away from the closest turnpike, so it couldn't be traffic. She wouldn't be able to hear it that far out. But the question remains is, what is it? And lots of people are coming forward and stating that they heard a lot of this throughout Northwest Ohio and Northeast. So what caused this? Take a look at this and tell me what you think.